The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 231, effective until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Harris, Montgomery, and Waller. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Activated the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned for important information. This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a tornado watch which has been issued for the following counties: Harris County, Montgomery County, and Waller County. The watch will take place from 8:15 from now until 4:15. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.